So this is a video to show you how to take the quizzes and tests in pre-algebra. So this is the KPC website. Not sure what you're seeing, but you should be able to go to Blackboard on whatever site you're on. And then you would sign in with your username and password and get a screen. I'm not sure if it'll be similar to this, but you should have your courses here. And in this case, we're going to click on Math. And that opens up a new window with announcements, but what we're looking at is this link right here, quizzes and tests. So we're going to click on that, and that allows you to take quizzes and tests. So here are all the quizzes and tests for pre-algebra. Notice the ones that are available are colored, and the ones that are not available yet are in gray. So as of January 21st, this one will be colored. And this one here will gray out because it won't be available anymore, and the rest of them will still be gray. So as they become available, they'll turn into color, and then after the deadline for taking the quiz, which is always Sunday night at midnight, these will gray off again. So let's say that you, for some reason, don't take the quiz January 21st, which is Thursday, so you have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You have 4 days to take it, anytime that works convenient for you. Once Sunday night at midnight happens, this is no longer available to you. So when you get on here on Monday or Tuesday, after it goes offline and you can't get to it, that's why, is you missed the deadline. So a lot of students will write to me and say, oh my gosh, I didn't take the quiz. Don't do that. Take the quiz when you're supposed to. Don't expect me to come back and make it available to you because you weren't watching the calendar and making sure you were paying attention. So watch that. So let's go ahead and try this syllabus quiz. So we're going to click here, and the quiz opens up, gives you some instructions. You hit begin, and then you will type your answer in here, like what is the email you send your homework to, and that would be gliter@alaska.edu. And then you come over here and hit Save Answer, and then it will give you more questions. Notice that when you're done, the computer will grade your answers and give you a score. So what you'll do is you'll hit, at the end, after you've taken it all, you'll hit Save and Submit. Now this is saying that I didn't answer all the questions, but that's okay. Then you go over here and hit OK, and it will give you your score. So I got 1 out of 16 points because I only did one of the problems. Most of the time, the computer will grade your quizzes and your tests incorrectly. I will go back, I promise, and fix everything that is correct that the computer counted wrong. So maybe you put a $sign in your answer because you were talking about money, and the computer doesn't recognize the $sign and it will count it wrong. I will go back and count it right, so don't freak out about that. I will go back. So in other quizzes and tests, so let's go down to one of the other ones. Let's look at quiz 4 real quick. And you hit begin. And notice it says, go to page 361 of your textbook and do number 6. Go to 361, do number 8. That's normally the way the quizzes will work. Go to page 318, do number 22. In some of these, like these, they'll say, go to page 335, do number 4, and then answer according to what the right multiple choice is. So let's say you choose that one. You just click there and go over here to Save Answers. Okay, same as the way tests do not give you page numbers. Tests are always, the problems are written here and you answer. So they're either going to be fill in the blank here, or they're going to be multiple choice like these down here. Okay, and once you hit Save and Submit, it will score it for you, but make sure after each one you put Save Answer and then Save and Submit when you're all done, and it will immediately grade it, give you feedback on what you did wrong, etc. So that's the way that you're going to be taking the quizzes and taking the tests for pre-algebra.